using ModBusPoll, which is readily available on the internet. Look up ModBusPoll to read the TacticalFlow Coriolis Flow Meter. I'm starting from registers 168, which starts the mass flow rate in kilograms per second. 170 is the density. 172 is the temperature. It's reading here 24.56. And then we have density at 172, 174. And then we have 176 is volume flow rate. Mass total in kilograms, this many kilograms, and this many liters. And we don't need to care about any of these other ones. Let's see, 180, I'm not showing those. But here's how you set it up. The setup is the read-write definition is the slave IDs here. I'm starting in 168. I'm reading 20 of them, and I'm reading 04 index 3x. Click Apply and say OK. And then the display is you click the entire row, and we're doing float A, B, C, D, PLC address base 1. So if I do protocol base 0, it'll still work. So display PLC address base 1. I think normally people use, this is a normal one. So there's no errors, and I'll show you an error by unplugging the device. Pull it out, we'll count some errors. There's the errors, plug it back in. So you see the device is alive. So that's using that. Here are the only values we really need to read is flow rate, density, temperature, and total in either liters or volume. And for those in the oil and gas, here's the water ratio and mass. But that is it. So